Hi, in front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening an app called Files, and if you never used it before, selecting Continue in the pop-up, then Allow in the second one. When you're ready, click on Browse on the left between Clean and Nearby Share, and last but not least, hit Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!